It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification to let you know when I make a new video, even though I have no idea when I'm gonna upload a video because who freaking knows. Anyways, I think I mentioned in my last video that I haven't really been doing vlogmas because I just don't have like the content for it. What is today's video going to be about? Well, I honestly don't know. I kind of have a few things running through my head that I kind of want to talk about. But I thought that we could just be in the Christmas spirit with the tree in the background and the stockings hanging and Christmas movie on the TV, which you could probably hear, and it's probably very annoying, but it's just gonna have to be like that. So today's video, I figured that we could talk about things that we suck at. Cooking, for example, I really suck at cooking, like super bad. And it's because I never cooked, like I never learned how to cook when I was younger, and now I'm an adult and I have no freaking idea. So with that being said, I figured this video could be about sucking at things, how we can overcome that. I actually am going to cook dinner tonight with my HelloFresh box that I got in the mail. And I do have a code that you can use for $40 off. I'll leave it below or it'll be here somewhere. I'm not affiliated with them. I just get a code when you sign up. So I'm going to share it with you. So be sure to use it and let me know if you liked it, because I have had HelloFresh for I think a month now, and I honestly, I like it. I get the meals delivered to me and then I get to chop them up and cook them into dinner, and it has like directions and everything, so it's really nice. Because honestly, I look on Pinterest and I go to the store and I buy the ingredients for it, and then I go and make it, and it just does not come out good. So lighting is going to be completely different because we are in the kitchen and this is all you get. So we are going to make sweet potato fajitas.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger each day. we're together all the way. Oh, we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's through this part of the year. We have something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey. Say. Walking around, you and me.
Chard. We're gonna have some wine to go with this nice dinner.
Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year. Something in store for us. We're falling in love. We're falling in love. No, it's the time of the year when something's in store for us. 'Cause we're falling in love. That's right.
And boom. Dinner is served. So, what I was trying to talk about earlier in the video, let's just talk about in general things that we aren't the greatest at. So, for instance, the cooking, which I'm trying to learn. And then the other thing, since the new year's coming, I thought that we could talk about my goals for my YouTube channel. And so my goals are to post more consistently, more or less just like for myself. And I feel that if I'm making a video and I'm editing the video and I post it somewhere, that I will actually continue on to try and better my skills in videography. There are other videos out there that I've made and I've just like, I would make them and then I wouldn't go into like editing them and then I just wouldn't post them. So for me personally, I need to see my work out there and I need to see that I'm like progressing in whatever it is that I'm trying to achieve. I want to make more videos. I want to learn how to edit better because like right now I am not the greatest at editing. I literally just like put it in Premiere and just like put it together and it's done. So what I really want to do is learn how to like color grade and make LUTs and just have my own sort of like my Instagram. So if you're not subscribed to my Instagram, SincerelyBianca, check it out. I usually have all my stuff linked below, but sort of like that. So I have like a different style. Granted, my style on Instagram changes by the season. So in like the summertime, it's like bright and blue and ocean-like, and then in the wintertime it gets a little dark. Different, but I mean on my YouTube channel, all my videos are just blah. They're just like whatever they are that I edit. I don't change the coloring or anything like that. So a goal of mine for 2019 for my YouTube channel is to be more consistent and to learn how to edit better. We saw my last video, I tried to color grade. It didn't really turn out the greatest, but I'm just messing around with things. So now when I go to edit this video, I can see like the difference between that one and this one. And I know it's gonna take time, but all that matters is that I'm practicing and then I'm getting better at what I'm doing. By knowing that you aren't the greatest at something, but you're still willing to put yourself out there to try to get better at what you're doing, I think that's all that matters. And I just want you, whoever's watching, to realize that yes, you do suck at things and you're not perfect. No one's perfect. No one at all is perfect. It is a way for you to get better at whatever hobby or whatever skill you want to learn. You can get better at it. And it just takes practice. It takes patience. You're not gonna learn anything overnight. I don't even know, like, okay, I have all of the tools that I need to make a video, but do I have the patience to learn how to use a camera in video, how to edit my videos in Premiere? So it's just, it's gonna take patience. The message to be in this video is that yes, you may suck at something, but that does not mean to stop doing what you want to do. If you really want to get into videography or cooking or whatever you feel you're not the best at, just practice, because practice makes perfect.